Hi guys, it's Shay Thompson here, and wow, looky here, I'm actually talking in the video. And today we're gonna be reviewing these products that I bought today. We got the Parrot Mini Drone Jumping Sumo, and the Zuma Dino, whose name is Boomer apparently. We'll rename that. Alright, let's unbox these and yeah. What should we go first? We'll go Zuma.
I never really knew why.
You might expect kids to do this. Oh wow. And here we are. Here is Zuma. And here you get a USB charger. Of course, Zuma himself. Which we will get him free from his box prison. Yay! And there he is. This is Zuma. Pretty neat. Oh, we also have a Mia cat here too as well. Give it a remote. Okay, so you get, looks like 2 manuals, the USB charger, the controller which will require batteries, and Zuma himself. Okay, well that's product 1. I'll do a later follow-up video on him actually running later. Second, we've got the Parrot Mini Drone. Oh yeah, parrots. Yeah, it is a mini drone, Amia. So it's still the Parrot Jumping Sumo. And here he is. 1 sumo, 1 manual which says blah blah blah. You are the first words. 1 USB charger, a battery. And these cool stickers, which I assume you put on the front. Oh, and these spare thingies here, which I'm not entirely sure what they are. I think they look like the replacements for the jumping piece here. Yeah, I think they are. Okay, I will do a follow-up video of these things actually in operation. See you next time.